my wonderful and beautiful people. Good morning to you all. Good afternoon and good evening. I greet you all according to wherever you are and exactly when you see this video. You are highly welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. So if today is the first time or you're just stopping by to say hi, I promise you saying hi and welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel. So if today is the first time, please consider clicking on the red button, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to select all, so you will always get notified from me whenever I upload a new video. All right, believe me, you're not going to regret being part of this family. In this channel, we'll talk about the spiritual tips, about the health tips, and more of us beauty tips. So you are highly welcome. All right, so thank you for joining us today. So for my return subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Always, I am humble and grateful, and I pray that God Almighty will bless you all. All right, just for being here with me, for your prayers, for your support, and for everything. Believe me, I hope you are doing fine. Yes, because I am good, so you should be good. Thank you today. All right, in today's video, I want to talk on some important things we don't need to leave in our home. No matter how weak we are, no matter how down we are, anytime you see these particular items or these particular things I'm going to tell you, especially when it's between 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and 3 a.m., please make sure you kill such well, I said animal or will I said anything, but I'm going to tell you the names and also show you the pictures so you will know what exactly I am talking about. All right, now before I go on to the video, let me briefly share something about these particular things and what it can result whenever it happens to your home. On most of the video I told you that not only human that need cleansing, home or house also need cleansing, because in every day we meet with people comes to us, sometimes they projected things into our home. It can be of a monitoring spirit, it can be to just come to pollute that home for good things not to happen. So that is why it's very very important that most at times, maybe once in 3 months, once in 6 months, depend on you, try to cleanse your home. Like, if you want to know more about the cleansing, please watch down below, you will see the video, because like I did a video on that already. Now, these things are the weapon, or what I said is a force by which your enemy or witches and wizards can monitor you or to see things working. And let me tell you one thing. Have you observed or have you imagined yourself, sometimes you are expecting something, sometimes you want something good is coming to your way, immediately you discuss that particular thing to somebody, the thing stopped immediately. If you have not experienced it, I myself has experienced it years ago. Whenever I'm expecting something, like, yes, if I should discuss that particular thing with somebody, that thing is a history. Now, because I told you, every day we meet with different people, people with different spirit. There is some people that you share your goodness to. There is some people you share what good that want to happen to you. The spirit that controls them, or the spirit that is them, which is the spirit of resisting the good things, will stop it. So that is why you need to know who you talk to, you share what is happening. Sometimes it might not be the fault of that person, don't get me wrong. It might, some people have this spirit without knowing they have it. So that is also the reason spiritual cleansing is very very important, because when you are cleansing yourself, you are removing negativities, you are removing bad energies, every resisting spirit in your life. So it's very very important, you always go for spiritual cleansing. Now, anytime you are in your home or in your night, normally these are the animals, these are the flies we see in daily basis from morning to night and all that. Yes, it comes to our home. But anytime you see this particular flies or particular thing between 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock a.m., please make sure you kill this animal or these flies for is not good. Is always coming to your home. Is a way by they are using to monitor what is happening in that home. That is what is called monitoring spirit or some informant spirit. They might come there, maybe something wants to happen, and immediately they had it in that home because it's a force projected to go and know what is happening. And immediately such thing is done, they will go and report back. You see that thing you are expecting will not come to pass again. Number one thing is war ghetto. I don't know what you call it, but we call it aguro. Don't worry, I'm going to also show you in the screen. All right, this thing is not always good to see between this time, not even anytime you see it in your house, make sure you kill it. Believe me, this brings some negativity. It has where it benefit people when it comes to spiritual aspect. That is, if you want to go for some particular work, that is area you need it. But in your home, you don't really need it, because most of the times the witches and wizards, the evil ones, use it as an informant. When good thing wants to come to the family, they sense immediately it comes, the thing disappear. So anytime you see this particular aguro or this particular war gate between 1 to 3, make sure no matter how weak you are, make sure you did not kill it. And let me tell you, once you kill it, don't burn it. If and not all, when you see a strange something in your home, like you see this thing is an agent, and once you got that thing and you burn it, the spirit will fly. You did not kill it. Let me tell you, you did not kill it. You only just clean the flesh. Immediately you all like to eat, the spirit will fly and continue the journey. Let me tell you what you do. Don't just burn it. When you kill it, okay, just look for a place or use for a nylon or whatever, tie it inside and keep it in a place. Allow it to rot in. So you can keep it far. You can even put it inside the nylon, tie it and throw it away, just for it to rotten. When it rotten, it has rotten. But immediately you put fire on it, the spirit is going to jump out. That is number one. Another thing is big flies. Like you are in your home at midnight, everybody has slept, or everybody, but between this time I called, and all of a sudden you see all these big fly just fly into your home or into your apartment. My dear, wake up wherever you are, make sure you kill this. All right, when you kill it, just sweep it out, don't burn it. All right, another one again is, okay, now I said war ghetto, I said fly, that big flies, like there is those big flies that most of the time you normally see in your toilet, like in all these pit toilets. Once you see them between this time, don't is not always good. So make sure you kill it. Another one is cockroach. Yes, that is why I say that all these things is something that we see every day in our house, in our home. But there is some particular time when you see it, don't take it for granted and don't just take it for a joke. Make sure you do something about it. So between this time I called, immediately you see a cockroach in your home. Sometimes you see them, you just come and jump on somebody, or you see it on the wall. My dear, wake up, look for something, make sure you kill that cockroach at that particular time. Sometimes, or most of the times, is always an agent using to send to see what is really happening. All right, another one, the final one, the last but not the least, is cobwebs. All right, you see, yes, the cobwebs, the webs himself. I don't know, but I'm going to show you on the screen. Your sister did not go to school. All right, so when you see it in your home, exactly this time I called, please make sure you get rid of it. Don't allow it to go. All these things come into our home to bring negativity. Sometimes it's an informant by which the witches or the wizard or the evil ones are using to come into the home to see what is happening in that house, to see how good that house is. So it's kind of been an informant. That's why if you are praying something, you just say, oh, every monitoring spirit. So this is how they don't just come in a human form, because you're going to ask, oh, what are you doing by this time? That. So that is another things they are using to enter into so many places when they want to do some certain thing in that home. So please, anytime you see this 4 items between 12, between 1, 3, 2 and 3 a.m. at night, please make sure you get rid of them. Remember, especially the work ghetto, when you kill it, don't burn it. If you burn it, that means the spirit is going. You need to allow the body to rot in with the spirit. So you just kill it and throw it away. All right, believe me, it's going to end just like that. All right, so this is why that I have a sister, like she told me, like whenever I'm pregnant and I'm getting to 3 months, I'll just see a war ghetto in my house, and that week I will have miscarriage and that baby will go. So you see, so this is an agent they're just using to come and monitor, oh, what is really happening. And once that happens, it will go and report back that, oh, this is what exactly is happening to them, and they carry out their assignment. So really, if you see these particular things in your home, make sure you get rid of them. And when you wake up the next morning, please fortify or cleanse that house. All right, to cleanse the house, we have done so many videos on that. You can cleanse your house with sea salt, normal local broom, and original honey. There's another ways you can cleanse your house. That is, if you want to know more about the cleansing of the house, please help me and help yourself. Check down below, I did a video on that. Watch the video and follow the procedure to cleanse your house, and believe me, everything will be working good, 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 good for you. All right, so I wish I share with you always. You know, you are my darling, you are my sweetheart. So please, if you love the video like usual, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So cheer to others so we can help everyone to grow. All right, thank you, my beautiful family. I love you always. Stay blessed. Please stay blessed, and see you in my next video. Bye.